mukha.
Come with me to give a speech at my first art exhibit.
Ako po si Jerry Salvador. Here's my painting in an exhibit. Oh my gosh! And then, ayun dalawa pa. First time ever. This is my... Ayun yung isa. Wow! Being a part of something like this feels so
Didn't know na habang nagsispeech pala ako, dinodrawing ako ni Sir George. Nakakakilig. Tapos syempre, kakain tayo pagkatapos. And after nun, eto na si Amang Pintor. Magla-live painting siya habang may banda. Habang nagla-live finger painting si Amang Pintor, here are the other artists doing live portraits naman of the guests like this one here. And ito, dinadrawing na naman tayo. Ito naman si Sir Paul, parang nasistress siya sa pagdraw ko. Hindi naman para masaya siya. Okay, we're all good. Tapos naalala nyo yung painting ni Amang Pintor, pinaraffle yun. And guess who won? Ako! Wow! Thank you! Yay! May painting na ako ni Amang Pintor. Yun na, ayun na.
Argentina!
Argentina!
Oh!
Argentina po!
Ang dami kong mukha.
Thank you, Sir Joseph, sa pag-invite sa akin.
Nakatatlong drawing tayo ng mukha natin today.
At dinrawing niya rin tayo. This is our third drawing for the day. Thank you so much to all the artists, all the guests, and kay Marks sa pag-asikaso. Thank you. It was super fun.